we really work closely with customers to make it a reality. And now I'd like to show it to you in action if I would see my demo coming up here. So here I'm in now a warehouse manager, and you know the usual drill, right? You see all your warehouse tasks, and I do it usually in a very manual fashion. But now I want to do this in a very unusual way. So of course I go ahead here in warehouse management, right? You see all these various tasks. I open Joule, right? And when I open Joule, I of course say, hey, take care of this urgent customer delivery that I have here and do the respective picking. Now Joule thinks, of course, through the usual workflow, and it decides to actually delegate this task to a humanoid robot here in the Experience Center at TechEd. Now Joule determines it was a picking action, and before it delegates it to a robot, collects a bunch of actions from EWM, and now sends this over to the robot, which we should now see here. And now it, of course, goes ahead and it notices the robot is a missing branding label on the box. Joule helps the robot to resolve that according to the process, and Anura, for anyone, actually inspected it in real time, and based on an ad hoc task from Joule, puts the defective item into a quality bin. And as a next step, actually, it's now fully done. So Tex also picked up a good item, actually, now, and the process can be essentially completed and continues the task, picking the high-quality item. And then we actually see here in warehouse management that the task is completed and the order is now in progress. And of course, if I go back to EWM and I click the Go button again, then you see that actually in warehouse management, the task is completed. Isn't this phenomenal? A business process executed by a robot. But now let's see what's going to happen. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. There's one of Unitree's G1 robots, a direct delivery from the warehouse. It's so cool, right? Hey, Unitree G1, smile a little. You get a few photos here for social media later. All right, well, it looks good. Come closer. Come here. Come here. No. Here, come here. Come to me. Yeah. Here I am. All right. Oh, see what we got here. Oh, very cool. Let me take that box. There's a bunch of merch in there. There's a Rubik's Cube, Joule branded. You like one? You like one? Hey, there, you like one? Here we go. All right, I put that. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, G1. Great job. Actually, I forgot the microphone because I'm supposed to ask him, how are you doing?
I enjoy it. Way better than my last gig, waiting for firmware updates in a dark lab.
I can imagine that this is really awful. Hey, before you go, can we take together with all the cool crowd here a real selfie? You turn around, we wave a little bit so we can have a cool photo together. Can you do this for me? Okay. So I want you to cheer a little bit because this will go viral, right? This is TechEd. This is TechEd 2025. All righty. So you get the tips later. You did an amazing job, so back to your warehouse and do some more pick and test for us, okay?